My name's Curtis Austin from Oklahoma. Was in the Marine Corps for 12 years. Always wanted to dive, and I'm good with my hands mechanical wise.
My name is Siegfried Williams. I'm originally from Germany, went to the military in Texas in 2001. I was in the U.S. Navy for about 8 years.
First learned about CDA by researching dive schools. I was trying to find something more local, and then I came across CDA, so here I am.
Started researching somewhere I can actually dive and actually physically work with my hands, because I was also a mechanic. Whatnot, I put both together and come down and be a commercial diver.
I like to go fishing on my spare time. There's a lot of good fishing locations. Like to free dive a little bit, longboard. There's a lot of good places to skate. It's a lot of fun.
My spare time, I like to longboard, I like to surf. Longboarding, pretty much Jacksonville and St. Augustine, pretty much good places to go skate. Besides that, surfing all up and down Jack's Beach. I mean, there's not a place that you can go and not catch a wave. A lot of surfers are pretty cool. The shops down there, the guys are pretty helpful. So some of the elements of Jacksonville that I looked at for moving down here was the availability to get around and enjoy the day life and night life down here, and the ability to actually have work ready down here. I can find places to go work, meet new people, and actually just have fun. My favorite part of Jacksonville is the people. Like, they'll help you out. Like, if you need advice or trying to look for somewhere to go, they say you're walking in town and you want to go to like a surf spot. You know, the locals, they'll help you out. They'll put you in the right direction. That's what I liked a lot about Jacksonville.
My favorite part about Jacksonville is the people themselves. They are very friendly. You know, they're not going to steer you in the wrong direction. At least we haven't to us yet.
Yeah. Advice I would have for anybody coming down to CDA is if you like to longboard, bring your longboards. If you like to surf, bring your surf. If you like to scuba, bring your scuba stuff. Keep an open mind. They got a lot of good instructors down here. You know, prior Navy divers and commercial divers down here. Got a lot of knowledge, a lot of tools that take the time, you know, out of their personal time to make sure that you understand the material that's given. You're running instructors that if you get behind someone, go out the way, go out the links to make sure that you understand it.